Should I sell now or wait? Sellers, did you hold off last year and not sell your house due to the market conditions? If so, you may be asking, should I sell now or wait? Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and realtor in the Bay Area, helping sellers, buyers and investors. Of course, deciding whether now is a good time to sell your house depends on a number of personal factors and also the market conditions. So let us break it down. According to Bankrate, current housing data shows more properties are on the market today than at the end of last year, and prices are still rising. Mortgage rates have come down, making it more affordable for buyers and creating more demand for housing. This is a good news for sellers who are planning to sell and then repurchase, as you will benefit from your home equity and lower rates when it comes to profit and affordability. All these combined factors put you as a seller in a good position to sell now and not wait. But before you list your home, make sure you have a good understanding of the market and how much your property is worth, as we are still in a challenging market. Connect with my team and me so we can give you up-to-date market analysis and value of your home. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and realtor in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a great day.